Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another informative and useful video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna be show you how to fix cannot change region on TikTok. So guys, if you want to change your TikTok region but you are unable to change your region, so guys, in this video I'll show you how can you fix it. So let's start our video without wasting any time. So guys, first of all you have to just simply open settings. From here, guys, you have to make sure that your internet connection is working properly. And after that, guys, close the page and open App Store. And from here, guys, simply wait some seconds. And after that, guys, simply tap on search and search for TikTok. So, guys, simply search for the TikTok. And from here, guys, you have to make sure that you are using the updated version of TikTok. If you don't have updated version of TikTok, then update it first. And after that, guys, check if the problem is fixed or not. If the problem is still there, guys, then you have to just simply open TikTok. And from here, guys, simply tap on your profile. Tap on here three lines. Tap your setting and privacy. Scroll it down. Tap on here report a problem. Scroll it down. And here is the option of chat with us. So simply tap on it. From here, guys, you have to just simply chat with TikTok team and try to fix your problem. So, guys, you can easily fix your problem by chat with TikTok team. So, guys, hope this video helped you. If the videos helped you, then please subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.